Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This evening, I'm going to cook zucchini. Zucchini, I divide into two. I'm going to slice la- later on, and I will cook with brown fish. And I have carrot here. Carrot, just like this carrot like this. Zucchini. And also I have the brownie here. It's put in a plastic bag just from the market, fresh from the market. So I'm going to show you the way I'm going to prepare this before cooking. So here's it. Okay, I'm going to slice the zucchini this way. Just very thin because I'm going to cook this half cook. And just cook very quick. Zucchini, zucchini, I love to eat zucchini. And then set aside this one. I'm going to put the fish here. I need to make it round first. This is made of plastic. And then put here in the plate. Press it like this. But anyway, I put the cornstarch on the plate. I spread it so that it will not stick. If we remove the plastic, it's like that. And then use the knife to divide it like this. So later on it's ready to fry. The big pieces. It's easy to get. Use the spoon. Okay, let's start cooking now. This is the way. Then I will fry it. And okay, I will slice the carrot first. Slice the carrot before cooking. Just this one is still garnish. Well, Before I will cook, I can add also onion. For adding the onion, it depends upon your preferences if you add or no. But because we have so many onions at home, put this one onion half only, because it's already has something is growing. You see this one, so it's not a waste, ma'am. Ma'am? Yeah, yeah.
And the weather is comfortable today.
Yeah, very comfortable.
Yeah, not very hot.你预祝汉在俾自家錢啊？Lily，你預祝漢在俾自家錢啊？唔知啦，係咪啊？係咪啊？
Cover it. Cook for 3 minutes. Fry the onion. Some water to cook. And half teaspoon of salt. And teaspoon of sugar. And then
Next time you go to your own house, is it Anna?
Yeah, usually when I'm going.
You use the house your father used to. Are you
No,
recording? Are you recording now? Then I
can
don't I don't talk. Okay.
There's still choice on there. There's Chinese cabbage. No? This one.
I think keep some. Maybe I make the quick rice.
But it's better to use the white rice.
Okay, that's mine. But you keep some for me. Yeah? You cook. Because Salo is not coming back.